Hello everyone, welcome once again to Dada'S Foodcrave Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome you. If you're a returning subscriber, I also welcome you. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make your own homemade yogurt. You will never buy no store brand yogurt ever again after you watch this video. How to make your own homemade yogurt at home. If you are interested and you want to see how to make your own homemade yogurt and never buy yogurt anymore from the store, keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's get cooking. All right, my Dada'S team, let's get started. First, I am going to boil some hot water. Yes, I'm going to boil hot water. Then I'm going to use powdered milk to make my yogurt. Did you hear me right? Powdered milk. Here I have 3 cups of dry powdered milk. Yes, I started buying powdered milk because when I buy milk in the house, it just gets wasted and I have to throw them away. So I added 1 cup of room temperature water, 3 cups of dry powdered milk, and 1 cup of room temperature water. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of hot water, hot boiling water. Yes, I first added 2 cups, then I decided to add 2.5, then I add another half. So it's a total cup of 3 cups of hot boiling water. All right, watch along. You will see how this video is made. Like I said, you will never buy store brand yogurt anymore from the store, and start buying powdered milk, guys, because when I buy milk, gallon of milk, I end up throwing it away. They get expired really quick and I throw them away. So now I will be buying powdered milk. When I want to eat cereal or anything, I just mix my powdered milk. So after adding the 3 cups of hot water, what you want to do, you want to test it. If the milk is too hot to handle, then you know it's not ready. You want to test it in a way where the milk is not burning your hand. If you can feed it to your baby, all right, that temperature, it's easy to just feed it to your baby. You test it that way, or if it doesn't burn your hand, just put it in the palm of your hand and test it. Now I have my yogurt starter, which you can find this at Amazon. All right, it's a yogurt starter. So you want to take a little bit of the milk, open 1 pack up and mix it. This is the yogurt starter. If you cannot find a yogurt starter, just simply use a little bit of yogurt. If you want to make a big batch of yogurt for your whole family, because yogurts are expensive in the store, just go buy a little bit of plain yogurt from the store and make a big batch of yogurt. But if you can find a yogurt starter, like I said, from Amazon, that's good, because this will expire. The yogurt starter expires not till 2026. So you take a little bit of milk, add the yogurt starter, and then mix it, then mix it into the milk like you see I'm doing in the video. If you're enjoying watching this video so far, give this video a big like and a big thumbs up. And if you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. You will never buy yogurt anymore from the store. Trust me, if you follow this recipe step by step, you will achieve making your homemade yogurt at home. You can make a big batch, and if you want to make a lot, just double the size, just double the recipe. Okay, so I got my strainer. I strained the milk just to make sure it's nice and creamy, make sure there's no lumps to it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this up really good. Wrap it up really good with plastic and towel. I'm going to hide this inside my oven. All right, I'm going to hide this inside my oven and keep it overnight. If you made it like first thing in the morning, I would say 8 to 12 hours. But I made it like around 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'm, gonna just let it sit in the oven for like overnight. All right, give this video a big like and a big thumbs up, and come back and thank me later. You will never buy yogurt anymore from the store. Like I said, homemade yogurt is the best. So I went ahead and hid it inside my oven, like I said, for overnight. This was the next day, later in the morning. As you can see, I have my PJs on. Yeah, I made another batch, but I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want the video to be too long. It's the same process. I made another batch, but like I said again, this was the next morning. Now let's see how this yogurt end up looking like the next day overnight. You can leave it, like I said, 8 to 12 hours, but I left it overnight. Now, Tara, drum roll, let's see how this yogurt looks like. Yes, our homemade yogurt made with powdered milk. Now, look at this, guys. You are not going to tell me you will not make your own homemade yogurt at home. And look how much yogurt I made just with 3 cups of powdered milk. 3 cups of powdered milk. Now I'm going to show you guys how to sweeten your yogurt and put it in the fridge for everyday breakfast that you can enjoy with your granola, your almonds or whatever, or you can make frozen yogurt. Just put it in the freezer and let it freeze. Like I said again, yes, give this video a big like. This is how a homemade yogurt looks like. Now what you want to do next, you want to take a spoon or mix it really good. Make sure it's nice and creamy, as I'm doing in the video here. I'm going to mix it up. All right, now I'm going to sweeten the yogurt. I'll show you how to sweeten the yogurt. You can use honey if you don't want it to be too sweet, but I'm going to use sugar and vanilla. All right, this is the vanilla I got, and it's the clear vanilla. All right, it's not the brown regular vanilla. This is vanilla, but it's clear. You can use the brown vanilla if you want. Now I'm going to sweeten my yogurt, like I said, with sugar. You can use maple syrup. You can use, honey, however you want to sweeten the yogurt, but I'm using sugar to sweeten my yogurt. I'm going to give it a good mix like so. Then I'm going to put it back into the fridge. All right, let it settle more, all right, for at least an hour or two. Then we'll come back and see the result. All right, give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and if you're new, please follow me and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss out on any of my video. And now after leaving it in the fridge for an hour or two, now let's see how it settled after I already sweetened the yogurt and put my flavor in there, which is the clear vanilla. Let's see how it looks like, and let's see how I usually enjoy my yogurt. Now let's see. All right, look at that, guys. After putting it in the fridge, it cool up a little bit and it's nice and creamy. All right, now we are going to go ahead and pour it in a bowl like so. This yogurt was so good. It was so creamy, so smooth. If I tell you guys, make your own homemade yogurt. You can make a lot for at least that will last you for at least a whole week. And I mean, like, just every day enjoy with your breakfast. So like I said, this is how I usually enjoy my yogurt with a granola. You can put any type of nuts in there, almonds. I'm eating it with my granola and my dry cranberry. Yes, this is a perfect breakfast, guys. Perfect breakfast or perfect snack. Look at that yogurt, guys. Make your own homemade yogurt. It was so good. And yes, I made it with powdered milk, but you will not taste any type of powdered milk because this milk that I use, the pig milk, you can use any dry powdered milk. Just follow the recipe and you should be good to go. Yes, look at this yogurt, guys. Now, make your own homemade yogurt. Come back and thank me later. You know how I do it for you guys. Yes, in Dada'S Kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching. And I hope you guys will try making your own homemade yogurt at home. Leave your comment down below and let me know. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget that post notification bell. You'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Until I come your way next time, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.